Moser Ridge, Trussville. Let's get us some drive-thru.
Moe's Barbecue, can I help you?
Oh yeah, can I get me a double wide and a barbecue salad?
Absolutely. Pull around the window, please.
Whoa! Double wide?
Yes, sir.
All right. Andrea's been working with us for years. Got the man Kevin behind him. Andreas, how long you been working here?
8 years.
8 years? What's your favorite food here?
My favorite food is ribs.
The ribs?
Yeah.
Small or large?
Large.
Moser Ridge, Hoover. Coming to a little Moser Ridge Hoover drive-thru. Let's see what they got. Good. What you got in there today?
We got all kinds of stuff. We got pork, chicken, ribs, the best turkey you've ever had. Don't forget your wings.
Yeah. Don't forget my wings. Oh, who's that? Oh, the man with the
The
plan.
best of the best.
What up, Antonio? How long you been working at Moe's?
Over 12 years?
12 years.
I think, maybe more than that.
This is the man with the plan in the kitchen. Hey, what you got for sides today?
We have red beans and rice, and hash brown casserole, and a squash casserole.
Nice work. How much barbecue sauce?
A lot of it.
A lot of sauce.
Yeah.